On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will discuss mutable and immutable concepts in JavaScript. In JavaScript, values can be classified as mutable or immutable based on their mutability. In this article, we will explore each concept in detail with practical code examples. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Please make use of it. Mutable means that a value can be modified. Objects and arrays, which are reference types, are typical examples of mutable data structures. In this code, the age property of the person object is changed from 25 to 26. Since objects are passed by reference, the content of the memory address stored in the person variable is modified. In this code, the push method is used to add a new element, 4, to the original array. This modifies the original array, making it a mutable operation. When performing mutable operations inside a function, the original array is also modified. Immutable means that a value cannot be modified. Primitive types are fundamentally immutable. Attempting to change the first character of the string, str, to h, fails because strings are immutable. Since numbers are immutable, operations inside a function do not affect the original variable. Arrays are mutable, but creating a new array instead of modifying the original one allows for immutable operations. Here, the spread syntax is used to create a new array, new numbers. Since the original numbers array is not modified, this is an immutable operation. Since immutable data cannot be changed, unexpected modifications are less likely, reducing the risk of bugs. Libraries like React and Redux are often designed with immutable data in mind, making state management easier when used correctly. Object freeze can be used to prevent modifications to an object. However, object freeze performs a shallow freeze, meaning that properties of nested objects remain mutable. To create a fully immutable object, a deep freeze is required. Mutable data can be modified, including objects and arrays. Immutable data cannot be modified, including primitive types such as strings and numbers. Using spread syntax or map enables immutable data operations. Object freeze and deep freeze can be used to prevent modifications to objects. Using immutable data allows for more predictable and less error-prone code. Immutable design enhances code safety and readability, so make good use of it. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to the channel.